Hello Shay, this is your instructor Sam, and I'm just reading your email right here that you do not have access or you cannot access my math lab without using the password. I'm making this video to show you real quick how to get into your my math lab. Okay, so if I go to my course Math 1046 College Math, okay, if I'm in that course and I go to contents right here, if you can see the mouse cursor under that content section, this is my math links. Okay, so you will click this link and you will see the my math lab part. Okay, once you are here, you go to homework. It will ask you to sign in with a username and password. For first 2 weeks of school until September 18th, you are given free access to my math lab. Okay. After that, the access will expire. Before that, you have to buy an access code from either a bookstore at NSCC or online from pearson.com or .ca. Just check into, yeah, I think it should be .ca. And once you get into the My Math Lab, you can see your three homeworks lined right here. You will go into the whole number homework and finish all the questions. Followed by, you will go into the sign number section and finish all questions. If you have any other question, let me know. Thank you. Take care.